Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tune an Audi S5. First, understand your S5's engine, typically a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 or a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, and its inherent tuning potential. Next, define your performance goals, whether it's a modest 20% increase in horsepower or a more aggressive 40% gain. Finally, research reputable tuners and their various tuning stages to ensure compatibility and reliability for your specific model. Common tuning stages begin with Stage 1, which primarily involves an ECU software reflash to optimize engine parameters for increased power and torque, often yielding a 15 to 20% boost. Stage 2 typically builds on this by adding hardware modifications such as an upgraded air intake system or a performance exhaust, further enhancing airflow and sound. Stage 3 involves more extensive changes, potentially including a supercharger pulley upgrade or a larger turbocharger, for substantial performance gains. Before tuning, prioritize your S5's engine health with a thorough inspection and maintenance, including fresh oil and spark plugs. Investing in supporting modifications like upgraded brakes or a sport suspension is crucial for handling the increased power safely and effectively. Also, ensure your vehicle's cooling system, including the intercooler, can adequately manage the additional heat generated by higher performance, preventing potential issues down the road. After tuning your Audi S5, it's vital to monitor engine parameters closely, such as oil temperature and boost pressure, to ensure everything is operating within safe limits. Adhere strictly to your tuner's recommended maintenance schedule, which might include more frequent oil changes or specific checks. This proactive approach helps preserve your engine's longevity and performance. For those looking to optimize their financial health as much as their cars, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. It's a resource that truly can change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.